Welcome to Campanile Hotel Xi'an Bell Tower, Huimin Street Metro Station. To book your stay, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or find the link in the description below. This modern hotel, established in 2018 and recently renovated, offers 103 comfortable rooms perfect for both business and leisure travelers. Located just 10 miles from the city center, the Campanile Hotel provides easy access to Xi'an's key attractions, including the Bell Tower and the vibrant Huimin Street. The hotel's proximity to the Huimin Street metro station is a major plus, making it incredibly easy to explore the city. Check-in starts at 2 p.m. and you have until 12 p.m. to check out, which offers plenty of flexibility. Getting to and from the hotel is convenient. It's about a 60-minute drive from Xi'an Xianying International Airport. Families are especially welcome here, as children aged 3 to 16 stay free of charge. You'll also find amenities like a shared lounge and TV area, ideal for relaxing after a day of sightseeing. Plus, enjoy a complimentary breakfast and access to the free fitness center. For hassle-free travel, fantastic value, and a comfortable stay in Xi'an, remember to scan the QR code now to book your room at the Campanile Hotel.